Really special place you guys got here.
Thank you very much.
And you can tell with the food and just a really nice place. Thanks so much.
Thank you. Yeah. Hola, bienvenidos, and welcome to Casa del Sol. We are located in the most chilled part of Montañita, just a short walking distance from the town center. We can enjoy the varied nightlife it has to offer, and we are right in front, about 15 meters from the beach, where you can surf and enjoy the most famous point break in Ecuador. With our helpful staff, we pride ourselves on having excellent customer service. We're always here to help you. Have a good time. This is a great place to meet new people, forge new friendships. Our guests are served a delicious breakfast every day. We have a different breakfast every day. We have great high-speed Wi-Fi, so you can stay connected. It's perfect for working travelers. We also have a lot of comfortable areas where you can set up your travel office. Here, we encourage our guests to take advantage of our offer of $1 a day for unlimited water, so they don't have to buy plastic bottles to help save the planet and stay hydrated in this beautiful tropical weather. We offer surf classes here in English or Spanish, so you too can learn to enjoy the waves. At Casa del Sol, we have a beautiful oceanfront yoga studio with classes every day of the week. We have surf and yoga retreats, and also 2 times a year we have a yoga teacher training that gives you your 200-hour certification with the Yoga Alliance at a very affordable price. We have dorm-style rooms, perfect for budget travelers looking for shared accommodation or groups of people traveling together. All the beds are brand new premium mattresses. Our rooms are cleaned daily. It's a very nice spacious room and it comes with a fan to keep you cool. We have affordable private rooms, perfect for solo travelers or couples, with their private ensuite bathroom. Everything's been freshly renovated. The rooms have either air conditioners or fans. We also have deluxe suites with a private ensuite bathroom, hot water 24 hours a day, private balcony, and all our rooms are cleaned daily and come with fresh towels. We have a tour agency here at the hotel, so if you'd like to go scuba diving, whale watching, paragliding, or do some jungle tours, we can help with all of that. Well, that's all for now, folks. I look forward to meeting you here in person. Happy travels. Buen viaje.